So, what does the verb lassen even mean, and how do I use it correctly? Let's find out. The verb lassen has 5 distinct meanings, alright? The first meaning of lassen is to leave something. Lassen here essentially means to stop doing something. For example, Ich lasse das Rauchen. I quit smoking. Or Lass die Katze in Ruhe. Leave the cat alone. Think of it this way. The speaker is telling the boy to stop bothering the cat and to just leave her be. Yeah? The second meaning of lassen is to leave something behind. Here, lassen means to not take something with you and leave it behind somewhere. For example, Ich lasse mein Gepäck hier liegen. I'm leaving my luggage lying here. Wir lassen unser Auto im Parkplatz stehen. We're leaving our car standing in the parking. So you see how we're not taking a particular thing with us and leaving it somewhere behind. Also, you might have noticed a second verb in the end of these sentences, liegen and stehen. Now, you can use lassen with these verbs too, but most commonly, the second verb is dropped in this use of lassen because the context or the meaning is pretty obvious. So you can also say, Ich lasse mein Gepäck hier. Wir lassen unser Auto im Parkplatz. The third meaning of lassen is to let something happen. Here, the core meaning of lassen is to allow something to happen. To let something happen, yeah? For example, lässt seinen Hund auf dem Bett schlafen. He allows or he lets his dog to sleep on the bed. Sie lassen ihren Sohn Videospiele spielen. They allow or let their son to play video games. In this case, the second verb is important and can't be omitted, alright? The verb lassen is used as a main verb in the second position, and the other verb goes to the end in its infinitive form. The fourth meaning of lassen is to have something done for you. Here, lassen means to get something done for you by someone else. For example, morgen lasse ich meine Haare färben. I'll get my hair colored tomorrow by someone else. I'm not doing it on my own. Lässt du heute dein Fahrrad reparieren? Are you having your bicycle repaired today? Here too the same rule applies. Lassen is placed in second position as the main verb, and the other verb goes to the end in the infinitive form. The fifth meaning of lassen is to initiate doing something. Here, lassen means to suggest doing something. For example, lass uns anfangen. Let's get started. Lass uns eine Pizza nach Hause bestellen. Let's order in a pizza. Let's quickly sum up the 5 meanings of lassen. To stop doing something or to leave things be. To leave something behind. To allow something to happen. To have something done for you. And to initiate doing something. That's it. If you found this video helpful, do consider to like and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't so far. And I'll see you in the next lesson.